Hello, everyone. Again, this is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Also, for those that don't know me or don't know anything about this channel, on this channel, we speak about stock, cryptocurrency, personal, and business credit. So we are asking that you subscribe to this channel. Also, this video is sponsored by Webull. If you do not have Webull and you are interested in obtaining Webull, I would definitely have a link for you in the description below so you can sign up for Webull. And the good thing about Webull is when you sign up is you receive a Apple or Tesla stock just for signing up, or you will receive different type stocks just from signing up. So I would definitely have uh, a link below. So this video has been sponsored by Webull. So now, after we then got the sponsorship out of the way, let's go and talk about the purpose of this video. And the purpose of this video is definitely we're going to talk more about Cenntro. Cenntro, ever since we hit $3 a share, we are not back to where we were at before. So we definitely want to get back into the thick of it and rebound. I heard that we may be on a downward trend, and being on that downward trend is not the best place we would like to be. We would love to get back into the top of the mountain, and that is getting back to $3 or more a share. Now, let's dive into Cenntro itself. Webull itself, so we can go over the aspects of what's going on with Cenntro. So right now, Cenntro opened up the day at $2.27 a share. Our high for today was $2.39 a share. On Friday, our previous low was $2.19, and our previous close was $2.32 a share. Right now, we're at $2.35 a share, and after hours, we are not performing the best that we can perform, as you can see right here, because Cenntro is currently down to $2.34. So after hour, we are definitely down, and it's time for us to get into the grown man's conversation and get up past our ceiling of at least $3 a share. When we got past $3 a share, I had people contacting me saying that's a good thing that we have elevated our stock. But right now, we are not looking too good as of now. So it's definitely time for us to get back in. Let's dive into and let's talk about what's going on Twitter. Over on Twitter, there's some updated information. That's one reason why I love coming to Twitter, because you get all kind of insightful information when you're on Twitter. So right here, this is reshared from Cenntro Electric Group, and this is talking about what's going on in. Let's play this over. This is talking about what's going on in Cenntro. This is Dusseldorf, Germany. And what they're saying is 65%, we are 65% holders of Tropos EU. And basically, you see these videos are being on display over in Dusseldorf, Germany. Because think about it. The purpose of buying out Tropos is because a lot of our vehicles will be sold in the I think what is EMEA. So that stands for Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So that's definitely what's going to be going on that front. Now let's come over here. This is some more information. You can see this is 11 hours ago, per the request from a second look at Dusseldorf headquarters. So let's increase this really quick. If we can make this bigger, that will be a good thing. All right, so I'm gonna replay the video because it started in the middle, and this is all of the vehicles from our channel partner Tropos, and I think E Motors is another one. A lot of these vehicles are definitely on display. We are definitely knocking it out the park, folks. So definitely understand that we in a fight, we're in a long-term fight, and it's definitely something that we are excited about. But basically, this is what's going on. So let's keep going here. So, and on Monday, we go to Europe to see headquarters in Dusseldorf. So I can't wait to see the headquarters that's going to be going on in the Jacksport. That's going to be a good thing as well. When we get a chance to look at a lot of the vehicles for the LS400, that's going to be going on that front as well. So let's see. Anything else dealing with Cenntro on Twitter? Because on Twitter, like I said, you definitely get a lot of updated information, and that's why I like coming over here as well. All right, so let's come over here. Let's see if Trader Ape have anything next. If he if it's nothing over here, BMR Traders, make sure y'all follow him. He definitely have the best information on that front. So it's nothing new over there. BMR Traders doesn't have anything going on. So, but the acquisition, and this is what it's talking about here. For people that don't know, and for people that do know, if you don't know, do know, 65% is the ownership that we have of Tropos. And I know this might, for some people, this might be old information, but this is definitely relevant information. This might be information why you may want to go ahead and sign up, and not financial advice. Go ahead and get into the thick of it with Cenntro itself. So Cenntro Electric Group Limited said Friday it has completed completed its acquisition of a 65% equity stake in Tropos Motors Europe, a subsidiary of Mazov SE and Co. for 3.6 million USD, and the assumption of an 11.9 million euro shareholder loan from Mazov to Tropos. Tropos Motors Europe has a distribution network of 50 dealers in Germany and 13 importers in Europe and within 16 countries. And as you can see, this is one of the main reasons why we chose we wanted to set up a plant in Dusseldorf, Germany, because it's all like putting Legos together, right? So first you go and you do the reverse merger with the reverse split with Naked. After you do the reverse split with Naked, then you turn around and say, hey, let's sign up with a lot of channel partners. After you sign up with a lot of channel partners, then you go ahead and buy out one of your major channel partners over in Europe, with the well-being of being able to sell in the EUs, the Middle East, and Africa. So that's definitely some of the reasons why we bought out some of our channel partners. The deal also expands Central assembly capacity with Tropos factory in Herne, Germany, used for assembly in the full line of Central vehicles for the European market, according to a statement. Shares of Cenntro Electric are down more than 2%. Well, it's down more than that down. And basically what is going on is basically saying we are in position in two different places in Germany, and that's why this Tropos EU deal was so important. Now, let's remember, we do not have any affiliation with Tropos over here in the, Tropos Tech. They have completely done away with us, and they found their own channel partner into a company I think called Civic, SELVIC, I believe. So we are definitely strategically placed over in Germany. So we in Dusseldorf, Germany. That's where they are building the Metro, and they are building the LS200. But over here in the Jax plant, they'll be building the not just they're going to be building the LS400, and there's no real word on the LS5, the 500, but Peter Wayne and Cenntro did set up, so that will be a part of our fleet soon. So the LS500 and the 300 is something that will be part of our fleet. So those are different things that Cenntro have going on. This is not a long video. I just wanted to make a video and we are talking about what's going on with Cenntro. Why we may be on a downward trend is because we did not hit our mark of $2. And I want to say we didn't maintain our $2.60 or 70 cents a share. And because of that, we may be back on a downward trend. But look, you know, AMC was on a downward trend. They went all the way down to like what, less than $10 a share. And then they shot back up. So sometimes companies go down so they can gain strength. They can get some more whales. We already talked about which whales we have as a company. We talked about the major whales in Cenntro, and these are the 5 whales before I end this video. So you know that we don't have a lot of major whales like some other companies do, because right now, these are our 5 whales. We got China Leader Group, and China Leader Group have 20.9 million shares or 2.3 stake of ownership. We also have Morgan Stanley, and Morgan Stanley here have 316,585 shares or 0.03 ownership. So like I said, again, we don't have a huge ownership into Cenntro itself. So of course, that's not a major thing for us because we want shares. We want shares. All right, so BMR traders, I just gave you a shout out. Crypto had a great day and Mullen had a good day too. Maybe Cenntro have a similar day to what AMC had today real soon. Thanks for the video, Antonio. Thank you again for BMR traders for being active on YouTube and Twitter. I just gave you a huge shout out on Twitter at the first part of the video. But if you are willing to understand and get some understanding of the market, make sure you follow BMR traders. Absolutely. All right. So the other our other 3 whales are okay. What happened to Facebook? No, I'm not trying to go to Facebook. All right. So you got Paloma Partners, QB Research and Technologies, and GD Goldie Capital. Those are our largest whales that's being displayed. We don't have a lot of whales as of yet. I believe once we receive the earnings reports with the fourth quarter 2021 earnings report, we might have a chance to get into the game like BMR traders just said about AMC. AMC had a big day. And then before I end the video, let's see what Mullen Automotive did today, because we need some degree of consistency. Right here, BMR, $2.47 start off. The high is $2.78. Market cap is 85.61 million. After hours is $2.45. And no, after hours is $2.59. So hopefully we have more people talking about Cenntro so we can get some more bulls going on in the market as well. And Reef Core Oceanic said BMR is a rock star in my book. Absolutely. I love the fact that he chimes in on Jordan Ripper Dip. And shout out to Jordan for having his bundle of joy as well. Cherish him because they grow super fast. And you got to make sure you get that back looked after, because these little calves grow up to be big bulls. So you definitely want to make sure that you don't throw that back out, because they definitely will challenge you in the future. I'm talking about your sons. So this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you for everybody who is tuned into this video, and we're going to keep pumping out great content on this channel, and we will see you next time.